Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Error GFX D3D init means the game cannot initialize Directx graphics properly. Start by running dxdiag to check Directx version and system display drivers. Open Device Manager and confirm your GPU shows no warning icons and has the latest driver. Also find documents /Rockstar Games /GTAV/settings. XML to inspect resolution and renderer entries. Note those values before changing anything so you can restore them if needed. These diagnostic steps narrow whether the issue is driver, DirectX, or configuration related. Update your GPU driver from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to the latest WHQL release. Use the vendor tool to perform a clean installation rather than an incremental update. Then download and install the Directx end-user runtime to repair missing DirectX DLLs. Also install the latest Visual C++ redistributable packages to fix dependency errors. If a new driver introduced the problem, use Device Manager to roll back or use the to fully remove drivers before reinstalling. Restart Windows after each major change to apply updates. Verify game files in Steam or the Rockstar launcher to repair corrupted files before deeper fixes. Delete the settings. XML file in documents /Rockstar Games /GTAV to force the game to regenerate default display settings. Add command line launch options only if needed, such as windowed or knob order, while diagnosing display problems. Run GTAV as administrator and disable overlays like Steam, Discord, and GeForce Experience to prevent conflicts. If problems persist, temporarily test with integrated graphics or another GPU to isolate hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.